I am Dr. Shehzad Khalid, Principal of Bahria School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, Bahria University. Bahria University is a multidisciplinary university having faculties in major domains of engineering, management sciences, health sciences, social sciences, law, and psychology. Our engineering discipline has focused on the main pillars of fourth industrial revolutions, specifically the artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. We have already established Cyber Reconnaissance and Combat Lab under the ambit of National Center of Cybersecurity, which is focusing on developing indigenous solutions for the cybersecurity requirement of the country. As we all know that this is the era of cyber war. People and the countries are basically trying to dominate in this particular domain. And there is a serious need of cybersecurity professionals that can fulfill the gap to develop the indigenous cybersecurity solutions for the country. I would like to appreciate Ignite on taking this wonderful initiative for running the Cyber Hackathon and allied training facilities and the workshops to have a capacity building in this particular domain. Bahria University has partnered with Ignite in multiple different occasions and events, which ranges over decades of different activities. In this particular domain, we are really happy that we are supporting Ignite in the conduct of a workshop, which is currently handling more than 200 different students and professionals from different domains. So this is one of the most successful workshops that have been conducted under the ambit of this particular program. So my best wishes for the Ignite and my appreciations for them to taking the initiative in the development of professionals and also to do the capacity building in one of the most important technical areas, which is the requirement of our country.